Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over a brand new release from Ciate London. I have here the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadows. They sent over all 5 of the shades that they have released, and I got this PR package in the mail last night. I'm digging through them and I'm immediately sticking my fingers in all of them because they look amazing. Let me show you just one. This is the one that I have on my eyes right now, and I don't know if you can see like the little specks in there. It kind of reminded me of like the Huda Beauty. I'm gonna show you guys some comparisons and stuff later, but oh my gosh. So I end up with all these swatches on my hand, and I FaceTimed Kelsey Briange here on YouTube. She's my best friend, so if you have not checked her out, I'm gonna plug her in right now. I called her on FaceTime and I was like, look at this, oh my god, it's amazing. And she, I think, ended up with all of them as well, because world's best enabler right here. But I got really excited about these, so I wanted to play with them first thing in the morning, so obviously I did. I'm going to show you guys this eye look and the comparisons to what I think they are comparable to. But before we do, obviously I need to give you guys the 411. So let me go ahead and talk to you about them. You can buy these on the Sephora website. They retail for $24 each, and there's 5 different shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the swatches as well as a video at the end, because I feel like you can just see things better that way. First, we have Gilded, described as a copper, Entwine, rose gold, Phoenix, one of my favorites, it just says red on here, and then Wicked, a purple, that is also one of my favorites, and then Twisted is a green. And you can see in these swatches all the glitter and how sparkly they are, and they are just stunning. They are so beautiful. I just cannot get enough. A little more information on this site. It reads, these stunning shades mix highly blendable full metal coverage with multi-dimensional ultra fine glitters for long-lasting 3-dimensional shine. Velvety to the touch, these shadows are best applied directly onto the eye using fingertips for effortless one swipe application. And that's absolutely true. You totally can, but I used a brush and I didn't have any issues with it. So let me go ahead and I'm going to show you guys this tutorial real quick. I went in and I used my Marc Jacobs Omega, what are these? The Omega shadows, but you can use whatever you want to. Really, it's about the shade that's on the lid anyway. I'm going to start off with Marc Jacobs, the Big O, on a Smith 230. I'm starting in the crease, back and forth windshield wiper motions, and then slowly working it upward in circular motions. If you don't have this particular shade, something like MAC Soft Brown would work really well. Anything that's just a really nice kind of neutral, slightly peachy brown will work for this. Really any transition shade you want, to be honest. Now I'm going to go in with a little Ciate pot. This is Phoenix and a Refer P07C. I'm going to go directly into the crease, back and forth windshield wiper motions to get it laid down, and then slowly going to blend it upward. And I'm doing this first because I am going to be applying the shade to the lid, but I want to have a nice seamless blend, so I'm going to go ahead and add this into the crease first. You can go back in with that 230 and just go right around the edges. Same shade, and now I'm just using a Sonia G Builder 3, and I'm applying this to the lid. As you can see, I'm kind of using a tapping and swiping motion. You could use your finger if you wanted to, but I find that this brush works just fine. So pretty. Marc Jacobs PRIM-O and a MAC 242. I am going to highlight my brow arch and buff out the excess. Chanel eyeshadow brush, and I'm going back in with Marc Jacobs the Big O. I am buffing this right along the lower lash line. Tom Ford number 12, the synthetic version, and I'm going to go back in with PHEONIX. I am going to just press this right against the lower lash line as close as I can to the actual lash line. Ciate ENTWINE and a Refer P10A. I have not used this brush before, so I'm kind of excited. I'm just going to pop this on the inner corner. It's like the perfect brush to just do a little boop. I'm going to go finish off my eyes with liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Now to finish off the look, all I did was add on Boss liner to the top inner rim and then Kiss Ritzy lashes. Now for my thoughts, yeah, these are amazing. They are beautiful. They are so stunning. I'm going to show you guys my 3 favorites. It's definitely Wicked, which was the purple one, and then I loved the green one. What is it called? Twisted. And there, it has this little thing right here. You don't want to throw that away. Make sure that you keep that on there. I believe the Marc Jacobs ones do as well. This one, the green in it is just so beautiful. And then the one I have on my eyes today, Phoenix, I would say that those are my 3 favorite shades out of all of them, but they're all gorgeous. I think the one with the least amount of actual glitter is the shade Gilded, and that's the one that I think is also the closest to the one in the Huda Nude palette. Which I do have to say, when I first saw these, that is what it reminded me of, because if you look inside, I've got my Nude palette right here. We have these little marbled shades in here. So I am going to show you guys swatches. I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. I'm going to swatch the shades that are the Ciate ones first, and then the Huda Beauty ones after that. And you can see there's really just one shade that's kind of similar. All the other ones are different, and I feel like other than Gilded from the Ciate London, I feel like the Ciate has more like glittery sparkleness to it than the ones in the Huda Beauty. To me, these are like a mix between the Huda Beauty formula and the Marc Jacobs Sequins eyeshadows. See, this does have, it has a little thing in there. So this is one of my favorite shades, is Topaz Flash. It kind of has the same type of texture as this, but a little smoother, and the marble look of the nudes. They're not the same, but like I said, I feel like if they came together or made a baby, that this is what it would be. I really like these. I think they're gorgeous. If you are going to pick up one, I already told you my 3 favorites, but I think that you will be impressed as well. Let me know what you guys think about this look and how it turned out. Let me know what you think about the shadows, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.